it wasn't until we did link Tony Kelly and dropped Chichi Man.
We're gonna talk about that.
Yo.
Mm-hmm. That's when, okay, so it's almost like that song was a double-edged sword for you guys. That song is the one that made you get signed, but then that's a song that also brought trouble into the camp.
Trouble is a thing. I don't know if me that label it as trouble. I see people get trouble off of them same thing there, and we never get nothing like that. To be honest, even though so many things we'll get into it, I'm sure. But like that song is a song that took 2 to 3 years for busting. I remember when, cause that has Sashi days, that are Lords of Yards, when Tony Kelly had produced for LOY record label.
Okay.
And I remember we used to go to New York, and before it bust, and before we used to go to New York under the LOY label, the song did come out on the label, but they had a crew that they was working with. We weren't really in the crew. There was a crew named Lords of Yard.
Okay.
We weren't really in the crew, but we were around the crew. Right? It was Frank White, Angel was in that crew. Frank White, Angel, a singer named Twice, and another, I don't remember the name of the fourth guy, and there's 4 people. Angel was one of them. And it was Jigo. Name just come to me, I'm gone again. Anyway, so that was a crew. So they were the focus of LOY at the time. No, we used to go and party with them, and the song used to get a nice little forward, but like it never really moved. And I remember we got an opportunity to go to New York to perform, and all we did take a box of 45, because them there they are 45. So all we take a box of 45 and we make up our mind. So when we go to New York, we are give everybody a record. We are gonna find every song man and get everybody a record. But push the song.
Yeah.
No, you have people who used to give about the record, and say, yo, what fuck? Like they must say, yeah, they must say, yo, this Naga boss, this Naga boss, and give about. Now imagine how it feel for somebody. Give you back a 45. It's free, charge them to the 45. You just say, yo, hold the record there. Even if them not gonna play it, for just take it as encourage. No, people used to give about the 45 and say, yo, no, make it too. And this not sound good. Years, when I say years, years. And then it just start pick up in the streets. It just start pick up in the streets at Jamaica. Little by little. And Tony say, yo, the song move, And I say, man say, yo, the song move. And before you know it, it was like, yo, we go where? We left for the 3 show somewhere. And when we came back, it was a monster. And this is before them even take it for politics, because it was like campaign song at one point in time for JLP. So before even that, it was a monster.
What?
Yeah, man. It was the campaign. It was yeah, that all right. That was like one of Siaga song. I love that song. Him tell me that personally and say, yo, that song, yeah. Bad. I guess kind of the poker vibe, can't remember say I got music, man. Yeah. So it have that little revival sound, the way how the drums beat, and the way how we chant on it is like that's what a whole heap of people don't realize it's really poker, but like so it talk deeply to the black soul spirit. So that is really why it moved like the way it moved. It was infectious, Yeah.
Wow, I did not know that was actually, as you said, JLP or PMP.
Yeah, it was JLP campaign song.
This song has way too many levels for anybody to understand.
Yeah, there was a while when PJ never did like we at all.
Yeah.
It was not until we saw him in Washington,
Mhm.
and we said, Mr. Pat is really,
Okay.
I never you were I never said, the man said, T.O.K. I know, man.
Now, you know what? Now everything is as clear as day. Now I understand exactly what's happening. Okay, so then now, when did the problem really start to bubble up with the Bun Dem song, Chichiman?
I don't know. I think I don't know. I can't tell when exactly.
Or what was the first indication that, hey guys, we have a small problem here?
I think it was probably an interview we did in Jamaica. No, when we came back, we heard that there was issues, and we wanted to do an interview, and we did a on-stage interview, I think, at the time, talking about the song, and they were asking us about it, and if we feel if it kill this and that and that and that, and we sidestep it on that interview, to tell the truth, and then they used it in the political campaign. So when they used it in the political campaign, it kind of got a little ugly. It did get ugly still, and it was then that it started spilling over to different places and different sectors, so yeah, it was then. I don't remember the year though. Good with those things.
It was that one there. All right, because I remember it almost came out of left field. Like, why you guys even bothering T.O.K. about this? That song was.
Yeah, I mean, and then
it was really weird when it happened.
Yeah, because we were so young too. I mean, it wasn't a situation where we were like this militant group that was against this or this hate group or whatever. It wasn't anything like that. But that's the image that they were painting. I remember there was a publication one time that even referred to us as the new neo-Nazi movement.
What?
And I was like, them time I didn't even know I want him Nazi. They said, what? Yeah, so it was crazy.
Yeah. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.